Good day viewers, welcome to Technical Study C for grade 9. My name is Risto Kapenda and today we are going to talk about metals and non-metals. Here are the lesson objectives for today's lesson. At the end of today's lesson, you should be able to know the different types of metals and explain the properties of metals. Before I start with explaining the properties of metals, I would just want to make sure that you all understand the different types of metals used in plumbing as well as what metal means. Metal is an element that readily forms positive ions, quotients, and has metallic bonds. Metals are divided into two main groups, which are ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Examples of metals are copper, aluminium, cast iron, brass, and stainless steel. Now that we have established what metal is, let us look at the properties of metals. The first property of metal that we are looking at is conductivity. The meaning of this property is the ability of the material to conduct electricity, to cause the flow of electrical current and heat. There is another property of metal, namely malleability. Malleability property is the material's ability to be reshaped by stretching, rolling, pressing, or hammering in all directions without cracking. Let us have a look at toughness property of metal. You have also seen that some of the materials are harder than others. Toughness is how well the material can resist breaking when it is exposed to loads. Elasticity property of metal is the material's ability to absorb forces and bend in different directions, but always return to its original shape when the load is removed. For expansion and contraction, metals expand to get bigger when heated and contract to shrink, grow smaller when they are cooled. We are now looking at the last property that a metal has. Very last and very important in the construction industry: resistance to corrosion. Metal's ability to withstand damage caused by corrosion, to weather, wear, decay. For example, rust. Let us have a look at what we learned about metals today. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching. From me, until next time, goodbye.